Hi, Casper here, and today I will show you how to create a scrollable artboard in Sketch. Alright, so now I am in Sketch, and as you can see, here I have a simple Notes app created on iPhone 12 Pro artboard. And I want to make it fit 6 notes when on the size of this phone screen with that size of notes, it can fit only 3. So I have to make the artboard scrollable. And the first step to make an artboard scrollable is to have an artboard created using a preset. So to add an artboard using a preset, you have to click Add, then Artboard, and then select a preset here on right. You have Apple devices, Android, and a bunch of others. Now, after creating an artboard with a preset, like let's say iPhone 12 Pro, you can see this is a preset. I have already created an artboard with an iPhone 12 Pro preset here. This program knows what is the original size of a preset here. So, if I will resize the preset, it will still remember what is the actual size of this artboard, what is the original size of this artboard. So, yeah, this artboard won't become bigger. It will just become scrollable. So we'll just make it a little bit bigger. Then check all of the things that you want to stay on top and not move when scrolled. And then just check the checkbox on the left side of fixed position when scrolling. And now, when you will run the app, you will see that, yeah, this kind of misaligned, but we'll fix that. Everything works perfectly fine, and these elements are on top. Now, to fix this problem that we had before, we have to check the home indicator and the rest of the things that we want to be on down, and just move them on down of this long artboard. Now, click play. And everything is fine. We just have to add a bunch of additional notes, so let's just check all of these things, copy, paste, and now the app is done. We could probably move this thing a little bit more on up and make the artboard a little bit smaller, and it's done. With a scrollable artboard in Sketch. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, leave a like. Eventually, if you have some questions, also leave a comment, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.